It's that time of the month again where I bleach and dye my hair. Sounds like a little jingle. Went to Sally Beauty again and got a bunch of stuff. If you've been here for the past year, I've been bleaching my hair as blonde as I could get it. I've been using Chi Iridescent Blonde Plus for the past like 2 or 3 months, and that's how I got it this color. But I just decided today I don't want to be blonde anymore. So I went to Sally Beauty and I was like, I want to be strawberry blonde. I guess that's still blonde, but not platinum blonde. So this is what a nice lady told me to use. She said it should work on top of my blonde hair, and we will see if it works. The color that was on the little swatch at Sally Beauty looked more red than this, so I have no idea what it's gonna look like, but we'll try it and we'll see, and if it doesn't look great, oh well. I'll try again next month. This is the Agebeautiful 9RC Light Strawberry Blonde. If you are more concerned about your hair than I am, then watching this video is probably going to be great for you. Let me make the mistakes so you don't have to. So I've got that. I got my Salon Care 20 Developer. I'm going to bleach my roots so you know it's all like even. Don't want brown roots and blonde hair and then dyeing it. We don't want 2 different color of strawberry blonde or whatever. So I've got my blue flash. This is the bleach I always use. And then she told me to use this After Color Sealer from Ion. She gave this to me to seal in the hair color, I guess. So I've never used this before. I'll let you know how that works. I did get another little developer just in case I didn't have enough, but I think I have enough. Also, just a little extra mini haul. I love to look at their clearance items because they always have like makeup on clearance. I got this pretty little liquid eyeshadow. It was only like $2. And then, where'd it go? Oh, I got these nails. These little gel nail strips for only $3, $2.79. I know this isn't the important part of the video, but Sally Beauty has some great sales. I also got one other thing. I got this Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength Repairing Cocoon Mask. I tried some samples of this and I loved it. It really helped my hair because my hair was starting to feel dry, and oh my goodness, got out of the shower a couple weeks ago and I took out the little microfiber hair turban and just this little front piece broke off, and I was like, oh no, gotta do something about that. So I used some samples of this Carol's Daughter and it really helped. So I got the full size bottle or tub, whatever you want to call it, at Sally Beauty. It's like $12.99, I think. It's really good. So let's mix up this bleach and get started. Okay, I always have to remind myself how much bleach to developer to use, even though I've been doing this for like a year now. But it says on the back of the packet, 1 scoop of bleach to 2 scoops of developer. So basically that's a 1-to-2 ratio. So the packet of bleach is 1 ounce, so I use 2 ounces of developer. And if you don't have a kitchen scale, it's basically like marshmallow fluff. I might even add a little bit more developer because sometimes it gets too thick, but it's very fluffy looking texture. Also, fun fact, I've always bought gloves at Sally Beauty, but they're kind of expensive for just 1 pair of gloves. I went to Dollar Tree, which was very close to the Sally Beauties I went to, and I got a pack of gloves. I think there's 6 in here for just $1.25, so that makes more sense to me. Cheaper that way. So I'm gonna start applying this I'm gonna start at the bottom and work my way up, okay? Let's do that. Okie dokie, I did all that off camera. I've done some bleaching on camera before, so I didn't think it was necessary. Just go in layers. I start from the bottom and work my way up. And I have some extra left over because all I did was the roots, so I may not have even needed this much. Maybe half a packet would have sufficed, but I do like having extra just in case I wash my hair and I realize I missed a spot. So now I'm going to leave this on for like 40 minutes and wash it out. And I'm going to let it air dry, and I'll probably dye it tomorrow afternoon or 2 seconds for you. Future Beth here. I realized as I was editing this, I accidentally deleted some files somehow, so a couple files might be missing. So I'm just gonna briefly describe what I did. So the instructions say to do a 1-to-1 ratio of dye to developer. So it's 2 ounces of dye, so that would be 2 ounces of developer. And then it says for high lift blondes, which I'm pretty sure means if you want to lift more color out of your hair, then you would do a 1-to-2 ratio. So 2 ounces of color to 4 ounces of what they tell you to do is 40 volume developer. So I personally did not want this dark of a color, even though, like I mentioned, I believe the swatch was a little bit brighter and lighter. So that's kind of confusing. So I thought maybe if I added somewhere in between that 2 ounces of developer to 4 ounces of developer, if I added maybe like 3 ounces, it would lighten up a little. I'm pretty sure I may have added a little bit too much developer, so you'll see what it looks like in a minute. Oh yeah, I forgot gloves. Should probably put, there we go. That works better. Okay, so I have it all in my hair. It definitely looks red. It's definitely going to be lighter than this, don't worry. It's always lighter once you wash it out, but I have to leave it on for like 30 to 45 minutes and be right back. Okay, here it is, the final look. It's not quite as red as I wanted it to be. I definitely added a little bit too much developer, but you live and you learn. I'll add slightly less next time, but I do like the color. In person, it's definitely got more of a strawberry tint to it than it's coming off on camera. But on camera even, it looks like a golden blonde, so that's nice. Going slightly darker each time, a slow progression to the red that I want. I'm okay with that, because I was worried anyway what this might look like. I did not want this color in particular, so that's why I added the extra developer, but maybe slightly less next time, and I'll get somewhere between this and this. Yeah, but I do like it. So next month, tune in, and I will get something maybe a little bit more what I was hoping for. Thank you for watching. Bye.